Here's how to exclude internal IP traffic in Unbounce stats. In your Unbounce dashboard, look at the left side menu and click Settings. From the list of options that appear, select IP filters. Once you're on the IP filters page, you'll see a message saying your client currently has no IP filters set up. Click the Add New IP Filter button. A window will appear where you can enter the IP address you want to exclude from your analytics. You have two options. Use your current IP address, which is automatically detected by Unbounce, or manually add another IP address you want to filter out. You can also add a short description or name for the filter to help you identify it later. After entering the details, click Create. Your IP filter will now be active and listed on the page. Once the filter is created, visits or conversions coming from the filtered IP addresses, like your home or office network, will no longer appear in your page analytics. This helps ensure that your Unbounce data accurately reflects real visitors and conversions, not internal activity, and that's how to exclude internal IP traffic in Unbounce stats.